Picture a desk phone that actually feels like a modern gadget, instead of a relic from the last century. That is essentially what you get with this heavy-duty middle setup, tipping the scales at around 1.5 kilograms, so it definitely stays put on your workspace without sliding around when you punch in numbers. Now, what really catches the eye here is the build quality combined with that specific 2020 or newer date code, meaning you are getting a refreshed piece of hardware that avoids the wear and tear of older enterprise gear. The black plastic chassis has a solid, professional matte finish that resists fingerprints surprisingly well, though dust does tend to show up on the wide frame if you leave it near a window. Operating the thing is straightforward thanks to the single keypad layout, but the real star of the show is the cordless freedom you get with the included lithium polymer battery-powered wireless handset. Walking around the office while staying completely connected changes the workflow entirely, letting users pace during long conference calls without being chained to a cord. Granted, the battery life on that wireless piece is decent enough for a standard workday, but you do have to remember to drop it back on the cradle at night. Otherwise, the next morning gets awkward. Setting up the digital answering system takes a bit of patience if you are transitioning from older analog gear, but once configured, the audio clarity is remarkably crisp. At nearly 10 inches long and over 7 inches wide, it commands a fair bit of desk real estate, so anyone working out of a cramped home office might feel the squeeze. Still, for a renewed enterprise phone that bridges traditional desk telephony with modern wireless mobility, this unit punches way above its weight class.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.